Okay, hello again. Let me just quickly show the recording to us. I know. Okay, cool, perfect. So let's go back to it. Switch 3 and route 9 and route 2. That's what we're doing right now. Route 2 and route 9. So we've set up. We've assigned appropriate VLANs to those ports. VLAN 7, VLAN 7. That's not going to work because there's no tracking setup between switch. Which one was it? Switch 2, which route 2 connects to. Yeah, on FACIFriend 001. 01, I'm sorry, excuse me. And so what we're gonna do? Trunking shows CDP neighbors. Okay. So we're after route 9, switch 3, switch 2 and switch 3. That's what we want. Yeah. Okay, switch 2 and switch 3. Switch 2 connects to switch 3 on the interfaces 10, 11, 12, and on the other side it's the same. So switch 3 connects to switch 2, obviously. Okay, so let's set up a new channel as well. So let's do. However, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna actually shut down those interfaces so we don't run into the suspended state. 10, 11, 12, 1/10 through 12. Okay, so let's shut it down. On this side as well, that's exactly what we're gonna do because it's the same. Some interfaces. Okay, channel group 2 mode on. Switch port mode trunk. Trunk encapsulation .1Q. Perfect. Okay, switch port mode. Trunk, switch port trunk encapsulation .1Q. Channel group 2 mode on. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna enable it, and the channel should actually start working. I'm not sure. Let's see. If summary. Okay, perfect. Yeah, we have our IT channel. We shall run interface PO1. Mode trunk, interface PO1. Okay, so now we have our trunking setup, really basic one. Okay, just switch. So in theory, now I'm not sure if we already assigned the IP address to the Bluetooth 9 interface. We have, so the thing should work now. 29. This one, thinking that. Let's see. Yeah, cool, working, perfect. Okay, now, so we have this side, this portion of our lab setup, our lab setup. Oh, I haven't set up basically. I haven't set up the loopbacks, but that's that's really easy to do. I think it's /32, is that correct? Yeah, it's /32 on this side, and I'm not sure if I set up the loopback this one. Loopback 0, nothing, yes, no, yes, okay, perfect. So we have our loopback on the route 2. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna start the frame relay. As you can see, route 2, route 1, route 3, basically 1, 2, 3, and 4, they connect to the frame relay cloud, and you can see this hub and spoke topology with route 1 acting as a hub, and route 2, 3, and 4, they are the spokes. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna set up route 2 for the frame relay. Also, what we're gonna do as well, because as you can see, the frame relay switch is there, but there's no config on it whatsoever. So from the wrong mode. Okay, so as you can see, that's our frame switch. No config, no nothing. Interfaces are shut down. There's no action going on with this device. What we're gonna do actually, we're gonna name it frame switch. Frame switch. Is that right? No? Okay, host name. I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to record this as I'm not trying to record 20 videos just to set up the slab, because usually it's a really quick process if you know what you're doing. So that's why I'm just rushing kind of, but I'm sure exactly where I am or where you are if you're doing it with me. Okay, so so roulette show connects to the family switch on the interface number S00, correct? Okay, so let's go S00. That's actually no problem because I'm going to use the same config for most of these interfaces. So encapsulation frame relay. No frame relay inverse ARP, no ARP frame relay. So we stop our dynamic DLCs being learned. On this side, we're gonna have basically sub interfaces configured, and on the hub, we're gonna have a physical interface configured in order to get switchability on to those devices. This is the LSPF, yeah. Okay. So that's the configuration that we need on no shutdown on the physical interface of the roulette show in that case. Now we're gonna go into S00. Let's name it, I don't know, 1. No, okay, that's gonna be point-to-point interface. IP address 10.0.0.2, and we're gonna have a frame relay DLC configured to reach basically our hub router, which is DLC 201, as you can see. Okay, so this is, I believe, everything that we need for our roulette 2 config for the interface. Let's just paste it. Perfect. So roulette 2 should be configured with everything now, I think. Yeah, no, yes, perfect. Oh, we need to remove actually the IP address from the physical interface. 0, no IP. Okay, constitution from the inverse ARP, and dot 1 is 002. So dot 1, 2. Okay, perfect, cool. Let's go to our hub. Router 1. What's our router 1? Okay. Let's do our frame relay. That's exciting. That's really, really exciting. As a matter of fact, I've got 8 minutes, 8 seconds. So let's quickly first do the less exciting part, which is a really easy part. Let's configure our loopbacks and our physical interface. That's going to be F00 as well. 17, right? Yeah. 17.1 / 24. Okay, that's done. Is that done? Yeah, that's done. Okay. And so on this side, we're gonna have that's our hub. So we're gonna have we're gonna use physical basic interface to connect to all the spokes. So no shut on that. So we're gonna need to configure IP address on physical interfaces without. You can use basically a sub interface as well and do a multi-point sub interface. That's gonna work as well. But just this time basically we're gonna configure that, because the idea for that video is to basically create that lab out of the GNS3 lab that we have on screen right there. So IP address 10.0.0.1. Okay, I'm gonna paste it in a minute. So I'll see you in a few seconds. Bye bye.